Have you ever felt like you're just running around in circles, chasing signals that lead you nowhere? Like you're stuck in a maze, spinning your wheels while everyone else glides through effortlessly? Frustrating, right? Here's the deal. What if I told you there's a tool that can turn that chaos into clarity? Enter support and resistance MTF, multi-time frame. This bad boy saves your trading game by allowing you to synthesize market trends across not just one, but 3 different timeframes. It's like upgrading from a chaotic maze to having a GPS guiding you step by step. No more guessing where to turn next or getting trapped by false signals. When you're looking at a chart, it can be overwhelming. A sea of data and indicators throwing everything at you. But with support and resistance MTF, you can spot critical price levels that matter. Those areas where price has a history of bouncing or breaking. These aren't just random numbers, they represent real market behaviour from multiple timescales, giving you an edge in your decision making. Imagine you're trying to catch a wave. If you only look at the ocean from the beach, you might miss a killer wave forming, way out past the break. But when you surf with a broader view, you catch that wave more easily. You need to see what's happening over different timeframes, short, medium and long, so you can ride that wave instead of wipe out. This indicator identifies pivotal points in the market, helping you decide whether to buy, sell or hold back. Now here's a hint. Having this indicator isn't just about spotting levels, it's also about understanding price action, leading to smarter, more informed trades. You'll combine insights from both short and long-term views, giving you the confidence to execute your strategy. And the excitement doesn't stop here. Once you start using the support and resistance MTF to guide your trades, we'll layer on another tool that works in perfect harmony with it. So, are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Let's keep this momentum going. Let's talk about something that's got many traders banging their heads against the wall, hunting for elusive patterns, days of staring at charts only to end up as empty-handed as when you started. It's enough to make anyone want to throw in the towel. But what if I told you there's a way to combine 2 powerful concepts that could change the game for you? I'm talking about merging order blocks with Fibonacci retracement levels. This isn't just a tip, it's a precise method for identifying solid trading zones. It's time we dive in. Think of it like fishing. You can cast a wide net and hope for the best, maybe catch a small fish, maybe reel in nothing. Or you can zero in on a specific area swarming with fish. That's where the real catch lies. Order blocks and Fibonacci levels work the same way. By pinpointing high probability setups, you're not just faking it, you're arming yourself with a targeted strategy that gets results. So what's an order block? In trading terms, it's where substantial buy or sell orders have piled up. It's like a footprint from the big players, those who move markets. When you spot a bullish or bearish order block, it shows where significant market activity happened. You bet the big fish are likely to return to that spot. Add Fibonacci retracement levels to the mix, and you've got a game changer. These levels help predict where prices might retrace before continuing their original trend. Here's how it works in practice. Let's say you spot a bullish order block. Once identified, the indicator draws Fibonacci levels for you, updating in real time until the price hits your chosen level. This strategy makes your trading clearer and more focused. No more wide net casting. You can target that golden ratio, the 0.618 level, for sniper entries. Imagine waiting for the market to return to those zones where the big players are lurking, ready to pounce on the next opportunity. Now, can you feel the excitement building? This approach can dramatically increase your chances of successful trades, and it doesn't end here. By honing in on these specific setups with order blocks and real-time fibs, you'll be primed for even more powerful indicators. So, ready to learn what's next? Let's keep this momentum going. Alright folks, let's get real. Manually spotting patterns can feel like finding a needle in a haystack, right? You're watching the market move ahead, and you're left squinting at charts for those elusive signals. It's frustrating. I get it, you might feel like you're constantly playing catch-up, while others pull in profits seemingly effortlessly. But it doesn't have to be this way. Enter the world of automation, specifically with auto chart patterns. This tool is a game changer. Picture this. Instead of spending hours staring at charts, waiting for a light bulb moment, you've got a tool scanning the market for you, highlighting those patterns as they form. Instantly. It's like having a trading buddy who never sleeps and always has your back. More time for you, less stress, and a serious boost to your trading confidence. But let's get practical. Imagine you're using auto chart patterns and spot a bullish flag pattern flagged up on your screen. Now, you're not just relying on blind luck or gut feelings. You take that info and combine it with your analysis. Maybe check the volume, assess some moving averages, or spot a critical support level. This combo, it's powerful. You're not shooting in the dark, you're making informed decisions. You become the captain of your trading ship, steering it towards success, rather than hoping for the best. So here's the question. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Because there's still another essential tool on this journey toward trading lucidity. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Alright, let's get real. How many times have you hopped into a trade thinking you understood the trend, only to watch your hard-earned cash vanish because you misread the signals? It's frustrating, and it's a pitfall that's taken down countless traders, especially in the early stages. But you don't have to be another statistic. You can break that trend of losses. Enter the Trader's Trend dashboard. It's your secret weapon in this unpredictable battlefield called trading. This powerful tool is all about clarity and simplicity. It's like having a personal GPS for your trading journey. Instead of getting bogged down in complex charts and indicators, this dashboard boils it all down to intuitive visuals anyone can grasp. Yes, even if you're just starting out. You've got green and red symbols illustrating the relationship between moving averages, allowing you to take a quick snapshot of market trends. It's like having a roadmap for your next big trip. If you don't know the route, you're just wandering aimlessly. Now think about how often you hesitate at a stop sign, wondering which way to go. This dashboard takes that hesitation out of the mix. It dynamically tracks trends across any time frame you want. Want to see the bigger picture or focus on minute-to-minute movements? No problem. You're in control, and that insight is vital for making confident, informed decisions. But here's what gets even cooler. This dashboard doesn't live in a vacuum. It works seamlessly alongside other tools that we'll get into later. So while you're mastering trend analysis, there's another essential indicator coming up that can make your strategy even more robust. Are you ready to level up your trading game? Let's keep moving forward. Let's kick things off with a fear that grips every trader: trading in silence. Picture yourself staring at the price chart, watching it dance up and down while everyone else makes money. You're left second-guessing every move, feeling like you're trying to hit a moving target in the dark. Nobody wants that. Missing crucial volume signals can feel like that deafening silence, and trust me, it's a trap. Don't fall for it. Here's the deal. If you're not paying attention to volume, you're trading blind. You want tools that illuminate those silent cues. Enter flux charts. These bad boys are like a lighthouse in your trading fog. They pinpoint volume changes with laser focus. Just think about it. Volume is like waves at sea. When you understand the rhythm of those waves, the surges and drops, you gain the confidence to navigate. You wouldn't set sail during a storm without a compass, right? The market can be unpredictable, but knowing when the big waves are coming, that's your edge. Flux charts give you that edge by allowing you to see volume patterns clearly. They help identify whether the market is gearing up for a breakout or heading for a crash. Imagine you're on a surfboard. The bigger the wave, the better your chance of catching a ride. The flexibility of flux charts equips you to ride those waves of volume, reaping the rewards rather than getting wiped out. But let's not stop here, because this brings us right into our next playground of profit-making potential. What if I told you there's another indicator that could transform your trading strategies even further? Well, stay with me, because we're on the edge of something exciting. Listen up, traders. The opening minutes of a market session can feel like a total gamble, like stepping into an amusement park. Thrill, excitement, but you risk getting thrown off a ride. You might think, why is this happening? Is it just chaos? Here's the deal. It doesn't have to be. Enter the game changer, the Orbi Algo. This tool cuts through that noise. It helps you decipher opening range patterns and spot money-making moves like a seasoned coach guiding a rookie through their jitters. Imagine having someone in your corner whispering, "Follow that line, not this one." That's the intel you get from the Orbi Algo. When you set it up, you're not just guessing where to strike. You're working with real data to identify high and low points as the market opens. Think of it as your secret playbook. You spot early trends and ride that wave instead of getting wiped out by unpredictability. But listen, these early insights aren't just for show. They're a stepping stone into a more robust strategy that we'll unpack next. In the trading world, it's about building the right toolkit. And the Orbi Algo is a killer addition to ensure you're not just surviving, but thriving in those tumultuous first minutes. Ready to deepen your strategy? Stay tuned. Alright, let's get real. Here's the deal. If you think you can wade through the trading world on luck, you're dead wrong. Today's traders need more than a rabbit's foot in their pocket. They need a serious toolkit. And that's where the Trade IQ Toolkit comes in, giving you everything you need to elevate your trading game. Think about it like being a pilot. Are you flying with state-of-the-art technology, keeping an eye on every detail, or are you up there squinting at a blurry horizon? This toolkit, it turns you into that top-tier pilot. We're talking about a comprehensive suite that integrates multiple analyses to give you the full picture, empowering you to make savvy trades instead of random guesses. And it's not just another shiny tool. No, this is a reload of everything you thought you knew, an actual revolution in your trading approach. Imagine seeing market trends from all angles and spotting opportunities you'd miss while flying blind. With the Trade IQ Toolkit, you're not just another trader, you're strategizing like a pro. By combining the best aspects of market analysis in one place, you're setting yourself up for success like never before. The power of this toolkit is unmatched. It's multifaceted and adapts to your style, whether you're day trading or taking a long-term position. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Trading Strategist, the new best trading channel on YouTube, and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.